Zombie
Zombie
shot.
Island. Long Island.
Zombie shot. I'm not. I'm going to my place.
I'm going to Snobby Shop.
The ride on top ladders are the best because it's hard to hit people with them. You can move
This
them.
guy's a bot, I think. He just landed on the side of a mountain.
Yeah, and his guns are about to spawn.
Chewy. Chewy.
Oh,
I don't have a shotgun yet. But I do.
I already have a full loadout, guys.
How? I don't have a shotgun yet.
Because this is where you go. This is the best place to land in Fortnite
I
Reload.
just found it.
And I have an AUG.
I have a legendary combat assault rifle.
I don't. I got a purple ranger or something. The worst day on the game. Combat's actually good.
Yeah, I have a legendary.
It's famous.
I know.
Wow. I'm taking the blue infantry.
I literally already have a all blue or above loadout
Really?
for my strat.
I mean, there's a kinetic load. Shotgun. Not a good one, but it's a shotgun.
Why did they put Max in jail, dude?
Kid on me, kid on me, kid on me.
I found the purple launch pads that you have to build.
There's two of them. Stormy, come in here and help me fight them. I'm just gonna spray your bucks off. Hey, there's one over here.
There's two right here.
Let's get the actual
That
AR.
was in my legendary. Okay, one's dead.
Other one's dead.
A default or something's coming out.
Ranger AR.
Dead. There's another one I see. That's the bad one that landed on the side of the mountain.
Give me that all.
Purple twin mag.
I always losing these AR fights, dude.
Laxative.
That's interesting. I just went blind.
No. Watch me whip. Watch me shiny.
What am I swung?
Is that an exotic now? I thought it was the exotic suppressed. Kinetic sand in here.
I'm heading down. Guys, you gonna follow me?
Up, baby.
Hunting rifle. Flying around.
Well, hunting rifle. What color?
Green.
I found like 5.
Lucas squad on me.
The lightning
here.
went down on my computer.
I bubble fighted that spawn for sure.
I think they're pretty decent.
No, I already killed that squad.
By
I
yourself.
killed 2 of them. Not the whole thing.
Ones are bad.
Right there.
That one I killed. That one's bad.
under the launch pad. See him up. See him? So bad. Look at him. 86 on one.
He's gonna try to take that one.
Dead.
Dang it! Protect the launch pad. I'm gonna break it down.
Shoot the guy in there.
I'm breaking the launch pad down.
Guys, he's in the tree. The guy that hit
He's
the
in
launch
this
pad.
tree.
I broke the launch pad down.
There's a kid.
Attack him.
Carter, behind us, behind us.
Attack. Attack.
Oh, kill that kid.
Attack him. Attack.
Kill that kid. Kids on me, AK spammers.
Again.
They're bots. They're AK.
Ah, I missed. 86. Dead.
That one.
Oh, that one ducked under my bullet.
Wiped him.
Finally wiped the kind of annoying.
Over there, squad. Dead.
Ow. I got hit.
Dead.
See if I can.
That's their little squad.
I'm going with Squirmy. Squirmy! Just his cat.
Squirmy white?
Squirmy's the like KM. He's like, come here, boy.
Yeah, I'm the up front specialist. Carter's the medium range, and Lucas is the long range.
Oh, I'm not. I said it.
Then you're medium range. Carter's
I'm
long
not.
range actually.
If I
I
have
put a
something-
legendary rocket launcher, and they're 1 in 1,000. I mean 10,000.
You did.
Found one. Did you kill the kid with it?
No, I found it. I just pulled it.
Out of this chest?
Yes, out of that legendary chest.
Oh, it's fine down.
Let's go to Tilton.
I see him up there. See him?
Someone has a crown. Smell my finger, BTV. What the heck?
62
What is
on
that?
the kid. 62
Smell
on the
my
kid.
finger.
Five.
Kids that be having the weirdest name.
Smell my-
Smell my finger, BTV. Oh. Why?
This
Did you
finger.
kill the guy that had that name?
Go, Lucas. Here's the shop.
I'm going. There's a kid.
Squirmy, there's a kid right outside.
There's kids. Don't rocket launch it. Squirmy.
No.
Because we're gonna have to use it. Oh, it's the mag. I swear.
He rocket.
Lucas,
I
now
love
right
how
here. This
Squirmy
is where it
rocket
is.
launches.
Yeah, I know.
But it's not. Someone broke this
Oh.
wall.
Can't do it now.
Stupid. If these are the people that broke the wall, then they're cooked.
I'm getting that crown. Can't have it. Give me the crown. I'm big reason. I have a purple hunting rifle. He's up there.
I got hurt.
Carter crown. Oh, ow, 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 ow. Let me help. There's a Spider-Man over here. You missed. Back to double kill. Dang it. Hey, what? Double fighting.
Spider-Man dead.
Let's go to the shots.
I need to hit this vendor.
Carter, they're in the basement.
Sorry, guys. Wait to finish if you haven't audio.
Dude, that's Spider-Man.
He's running around like a weirdo. Finish it. There's a kid up there. Ow, he just hunting rifled me. Get up there.
That probably, he probably
There's a kid up there, Carter. Careful. Damn. I'm going down near the
He
spawn.
ran. He ran to our spot. I'm pretty sure. It was just one.
Splash us from me.
No, wait for me.
Find us, find us.
Ow!
He's up there. $96. Sugar green going in. I think that's the last team.
Ouch, kid at the top! Guys, save me, save me!
I can't.
Hold-
Save! Oh! Go! Go back! Go crazy! Go! Squirmy, run!
Go.
I got you, Squirmy! Draw! Help me, Squirmy! Help me!
96 in the trailer.
Oh, I see him.
Got him.
The one in the trailer.
Someone's bubble fighting me.
Got you! I got you, son!
I'm so bad at this.
Cracked him.
Let me no scope him. Can I no scope him? Wait, don't touch him. Oh, there's one more. Let me no scope the last guy if he flash us. Hey, come here, Carter.
Cause let me rock launch him. Cause let me
Oh,
dance.
no
Let me dance
scoping.
right here real fast. It's already a dub here. Cause I need a crown though. I have no crown.
Hold on, let me drop my pickaxe real quick. Where'd my
Let's start dancing.
Yep. Don't take it. Leave it here.
Why?
Because I'm trying to
Oh,
flip.
Where is he? Out!
cause let me get up high.
I'm up high.
Break down all the buildings.
Why? No.
He's right here. He's right here. He's above me. I see him.
No scoping. Up.
No.
How
For
many
me,
do I
how
have
many?
now?
You have 5. I have 12. Wait, Squirmy, did you get one?
No, I didn't.
Yes! I survived the
Cause you guys had the crowns. Mom, where? Guys, I gotta go.
I need to show Dad something.
What, Carter?
See ya.
Mom!
See ya.
Are you gonna be back on?